welcome back to my channel. Live It Like Lisa here, and today I am teaming up with a group of girls to bring you let me get it all straight, a Christmas DIY decor collaboration. So we've got how many girls? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus myself, 6 girls are part of this collaboration, and we are all going to be doing a Christmas DIY decor project. So let me just start by letting you know who's in this collab. I will be linking all their channels down in the description box below. I think we're also going to be setting up a playlist for this collaboration, so you'll be able to find all the videos in one spot. So who have we got? We've got Claire from Claire's Crafty Corner, Shell from Shell's Glam Home, Tony from Crafty Decor by Tony. We've got Kerry from Mama Dares to DIY. And we've got, I'm hoping I'm pronouncing this right, is it Sook or Sook from Terrarium and Crafts. So like I said, all their channels will be linked below. A playlist will also be linked below, so you can go to the one spot and find all the DIYs. This is the first one that will be kicking off my Christmas DIYs. So yeah, I hope you enjoy. Let's get crafting. Okay, so these are the 2 lanterns that I'm going to give a makeover to. They're quite pretty as is, but I'm not really into the glitter so much, so I'm going to give them a bit more of a farmhouse feel. And these ones I picked up from Kmart for $5 each, and they're a battery operated lantern as well. So that's the 2 lanterns that I'm going to be using. I've got some bits and pieces here that I'm thinking I may use to decorate them. These sort of things, this was picked up from a local, like a dollar store, but it was actually $3.99. These I think I got from eBay for maybe $1 or something for the packet. These I picked off a stem that I got from Kmart last year. They are available again this year as well. So yeah, I've got a few bits and pieces that I may use to decorate. But what we're going to do first, and I've already started doing it with this one, is we're just going to take this lantern apart. So it has a couple of screws underneath here. So we're just going to unscrew everything. Okay, so what we're going to do next is just go over it with some acrylic paint. Now, I'm going to do these lanterns black, but I didn't have any black acrylic paint. So what I'm doing is going over it with some brown, and then I'm just going to spray paint them black. Now, you need to go over them with some acrylic paint first to help cover up that glitter. If you just try and spray paint straight over the top of these, the glitter's just going to keep showing through. So if I had black acrylic paint, I would be using that, and that would probably be all I would do to these. I wouldn't need to spray paint them. But yeah, because I had none, they're getting painted brown first, and then we're going to spray paint over them in black. Okay, so once all that acrylic paint has dried, now I'm just going to go over them with some black matte spray paint. And like I said, if you already had black acrylic paint, you probably wouldn't need to do this step because, yeah, you could just paint them straight. Black acrylic paint is fine. But I really like the look of the texture that the glitter gives to these lanterns. It gives them sort of like a hammered, I don't know if it's called hammered, but like a really rough sort of texture to the lantern, which I really like. Okay, so next what I'm going to do is just to paint over the bells. If I had silver bells, I would just go with those, but I don't. So I want a more silver looking bell. So I'm just going to go over them with a bit of brown first to rust them up. I want to make them look a little bit more aged, basically. So I'm going over it with a bit of brown acrylic and then going over it again with a bit of silver, a bit of white, a bit of black, just to give it a mottled appearance and make them look a little bit more aged than the bright shiny gold bell that I've got to start with. All right, so now I'm just going to put all the lanterns back together, and then we're going to decorate the outside. And now for the fun part, let's get decorating. there you go, guys. How easy was that? Like literally it's a 5-minute DIY. So sometimes you see something you really like, but it's not quite the color that you want. It's so easy to transform it. That's why I couldn't pass up these $5 lanterns. I just thought, yeah, I can definitely do something with these. And I actually really like that the glitter is still showing through, very subtle, but yeah, it just gives that little bit of sparkle, but not too much. This suits my decor perfectly. I'm really happy with the way they've turned out. So I hope you've enjoyed this collaboration, guys. Be sure to check out everyone's channel down below. I will leave links to everyone's channel so you can check out their videos. And yeah, if you like what you see, make sure you subscribe to all their channels. We've got heaps of decor projects coming up over the next few weeks, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching.